Hi everyone, welcome to your 8th and final week of Nursing 504. There's just really it's a shortened week. We end actually on Thursday. So the module that I have set up really just goes over your Unit 5 in your textbook, and this would be for those of you who have the 4th edition or the 5th edition. Policy implications is the unit. So although we're not going to be covering any specific readings, I do have in the module, if you want to open it up, let me just show you where you're going to do that. Obviously, you go up to modules. I did open it up, contemplated on whether or not I wanted to, but if you do click on it, it is available. And there's a little bit of a write-up here. It's specific to the 4th edition, but I think it's relevant for those of you who had purchased the 5th edition as well. So when you click on this, it actually will bring you up to this document. And so it's, again, specific to those of you who have the 4th edition covering chapters 38 and 41 through 41. But I just thought it was kind of an important thing to really identify those who have serious illness, those who are requiring hospice or palliative care. Terminal illness isn't necessarily always looked at as a vulnerable population or, having its own culture. But understanding what people's beliefs and value systems are as individuals is very salient in their end of life. So there's just a few things in here that you can look at and basically take in. It's not obviously required for this module, but if you wanted to read up more about that information, I have it listed here within this document. So getting back to the course, because this is a shortened week, we really can't dive too deep into that. But if any of you would like to talk outside of class, even this summer, if you have questions about that, please don't hesitate to contact me, and we can certainly have an open discussion about end-of-life care and the influence of culture for people who are either terminally ill or who are at the final days or months of life. So the only activity really is to complete the discussion board, basically just giving me some feedback about this course. And I understand that there were some hiccups throughout the course. This course is getting redone this summer. I am redoing it. It was passed down to me this past year, and it was, I think the last time it was updated was a few years ago. So it's going to be redone, bigger and better. So, rubrics will be more detailed. And so anything that you can offer me that you think needs to be changed in the course, let me know, and I will certainly tackle that. So, and then the final thing is just the course evaluation. You just click in this tab here, and if you can just complete the course evaluation before the end on Thursday, that would be fantastic as well. So if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me. I will be around all summer through either my phone or through email. And I look forward to seeing you all in the future. Thanks.